I can't see shit.
Night vision, dude.
Oh god. Yeah.
Just one friend, that's the Undertaker. Many young men's dreams made him disabled, bitter and mean. Life is much too short and precious. He's been fighting wars each day. War can't give life, they can only take it away. Oh, war! God, y'all. Absolutely. Say it again.
Absolutely not. You're supposed to eat the blue ones, man.
What? Shut up.
The whole big box, guys? Yeah.
God, you suck so bad.
Do it. Click your bitch by now. Brett, shoot him. I don't remember. I don't want to hold it. It's like this. Like how I have it? Pretty much, yeah. Hold it tight. Nice shot. Alright, hit. Let's keep shooting, Jack. And the number 8. Nigga, aim. What the fuck? Do you even know how to aim? You're just shooting. Back up. Brett, you're not even aiming. He's just like, poof.
Yeah. You suck. Ow.
Like, those all suck.
God.
Yeah, that's terrible.
Fuck this shit.
Oh, God, it's heavy.
It's so heavy. This is a 50 cal handgun, by the way, people at home.
Hold it tight. Get off me.
It's worth about $1,000. Holy shit! Fucking Brent, man, just boom.
Next to it. Oh! Hey, the wood on the back is a hole like that big.
Hand cannon.
All right, boys.
Get a good view.
It's not that bad. It's kind of scary. It looks very scary. It feels so scary. Boom!
Right in the head.
Boom!
That guy is annihilated.
Yeah! That is so easy.
Blair, what the fuck was that?
I went like this.
You were aiming it right at Brandon.
Don't do that. Was it? Don't do that.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, you were.
Jesus Christ,
You
man.
got that on camera?
Yeah, I got it on camera.
I want to see Blair fall on his back.
Hey, seriously, don't do that again.
Come on, Blair. Yes. Hold tight.
Oh, God.
Through the neck.
Kill shot.
Through the neck.
That thing's fucking loaded. He keeps kind of like aiming it.
That was a total miss. He didn't even
Hey, see, watch where you're pointing it.
You didn't even aim the first time. It hurts my hands.
Keep going.
Fuck. I have no idea where it went.
Aim at it.
Kind of sounds like rapid fire. Look at this douchebag. Oh,
God,
why does that sound louder than the 50?
Because it echoes under here. Hey, where'd it hit, B?
I didn't even see that. Fucking can't even see that little Kenny, man. There's that picture where you can't see his dick. It's like, where is it? What? Brent, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. He's like, what is he? Oh, he's standing there pissing, and it looks like he's holding air. Alright, get out of my room, guys. Come on. What is that stuff? Some weird lube in there, man. Dude, you got lube in there?
That's fucking the bong cleaner, jackass.
You got lube.
Oh, yeah.
You got lube. Let me see a video of us in the car. I'm about to make a video of me taking a shit and get the fuck.